to one side to remove the vest. Place the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, and insert the end into the buckle. Pull to tighten. Once outside the aircraft, pull down sharply on the red tab on the front or blow into the red tube near your shoulder to inflate your vest. The vest is equipped with a water-activated light. The location and use of light vest for small children may be found in the safety information card. If needed due to loss of cabin pressure, 4 oxygen masks will drop from the compartment overhead. Pull down on a mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth. To adjust, pull on the elastic tabs on either side. Make sure to adjust your mask before assisting a child or another passenger, although oxygen is flowing.